create the surplus it perceives it will need for survival. Your physiological detectives might suggest somewhere in you that your fat storage or nutritional supplies have been reduced to a dangerous level. Guess what? Now you will have cravings for fats and perhaps high-energy carbohydrates, such as sugars, starches, and grain-based foods, high energy because they're quick energy, and even salty foods will be craved because your body thinks you are in need of help to survive. But did you confuse your body with starvation dieting? Did you confuse your body with skipping meals? Did you confuse your body by neglecting healthy fats essential for your brain and body to function? Your cravings for fats does not mean to indulge in saturated, yellowish, sticky, murky, slimy fat that's attached to potato chips, fries, or lavish candy bars. Tasty olive oil dips, succulent fresh and cold water fish, or supplements of omega essential fatty acids will satisfy your body's wise craving for fats. Is the physiology inside of you detecting that you are suddenly needing a burst of energy supplies? Are you suffering from long-term fatigue and you are not allowing yourself to sleep or rest? In this case, your body will make you hungry for quick energy foods to help you survive the needs or the demands, the excessive demands you're placing on your body. If you are highly stressed, your brain detects too many stress hormones, and it is likely you will develop a hunger for foods which soothe or change the chemistry in your body to temporarily create an atmosphere of calm and relaxation. These might be considered your comfort foods. What food manufacturers and their smart marketing firms want you to believe is that at times of stress you need to eat high-calorie, high-processed, fake-colored, artificially flavored, called, quote, natural flavoring on package labels, or, quote, fake foods. They want you to be hypnotized into believing that these fake foods will make you all feel better. Do not believe their lies. Wake up. Do not be hypnotized by genius commercials and artistic packaging of dazzling colors, social fun, and peaceful outdoor settings. Those foods will actually aggravate more stress reactions in your body. And this new food-induced, well, food in quotes, induced stress will only make you hungrier. Listen to the real message of your cravings and indulge in real foods that authentically soothe, authentically heal, and authentically calm your physiological stress. Your body at stressful times may need some honest foods. Grains, brown rice with softened nuts, seeds or legumes with succulently smoothly cooked fats like olive oil, fragrant vegetable soup with gentle spiced chicken, and an easy-to-digest fruit. Oh, sliced peach, for example, with a pinch of ginger or cinnamon. Yes, now you are thinking how to soothe your body in those stressful times with real food. Your body is, after all, only a chemistry lab in many respects. Your brain informs you as to what choices and actions will best supply your chemistry lab with survival and healthy equipment. Your brain tells you what you need to add from the outside world. Cravings are signals urging you to supply your inside, hidden biochemical, physiological world with what your body cannot independently produce. Your response to your cravings is your gift to your body's functions. These signals are very sophisticated mechanisms that help your survival and, yes, your pleasure levels as the prime directives. Food, liquids, sleep, exercise, thermal well-being, and emotional exchanges all come from outside your body and are influenced by your conscious actions and choices. Your bodily cravings signal to you what actions it needs you to take in order to support the intricate functions of your body's hidden and busy world. The amazing communication systems between every cell within your body are all biochemistry and physiological functions which occur without you having one moment of consciousness. Your body works without you being aware of it most of the time. Your reliable, efficient, underappreciated automatic body only needs you to supply it with honest and reliable forms forms, digestible forms of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, hydrations, rest, sleep, play, exercise, social satisfaction, as well as sound mental and creative activity. Your body's automatic functioning is an amazing gift to you. You do not need to pay attention to your heart beating in order to make sure it beats most of the time. You do not have to count your breaths to ensure that you are inhaling and exhaling appropriately for the demands of your body. You do not need to command that water or some form of fluid enter each cell in order for each of them to have proper hydration. You are not measuring the right amount of potassium and sodium or any other chemicals to make sure that the cellular membranes and the interior fluid in your cells are functioning correctly. You do not need to track the electronic charges that are taking place in each millisecond of your life. You do not need to monitor whether or not the right chemicals are conducting the electrical impulses throughout your entire complex nervous system. You are an amazing automatic body. You have an amazing automatic way of functioning. And food helps your body carry on those automatic functions beautifully if you help it. When you have a craving, it is highly likely that these automatic systems are trying to communicate to your alimentary digestive tract what forms of fuel it needs most in the moment it might scream at you. The way you choose to eat is your gift to your entire body. Potentially, your cravings are your body's way of trying to communicate with you, both consciously and unconsciously, what nutrition it needs. Cravings are healthy signals, and if you have not misinterpreted the signals or messed with your cravings cues, they're perfect signals. Your body was intended to have pleasure, too, and it functions to let you know what will be enjoyed or dreaded. And if you have not messed up your bodily signals, excessive food creates pain, for example, usually. Yucky foods create repulsion. Toxic foods result in indigestion or vomiting reactions. Enough food creates satisfaction. Real food is more flavorful than fake processed packaged food if you are really tasting and smelling your foods and haven't messed with your taste buds. Your body will know the difference between real and fake. All you have to do is listen and select accordingly. Delicious food slows you down to taste and chew and smell. Listen to your body's honest, true messages, and you will not eat too much, and you will choose the right combinations and variety. Yes, food is also primary fuel for your bodily functions, including your brain. The vitamins, minerals, hydrations, or amino acids which you eat are collectively a complex chemical gift to every cell in your body. Listening to your real cravings creates a perfect partnership between your choices and your body's honest needs. Eating is also a highly socialized experience and is wired in your brain to be a socially satisfying process too. Food is associated in your brain structure with social pleasures and the many wonderful sensual experiences associated to eating. Eating in human relationships, including the feeling of love, sadness or depression, anger or longing, and the urge to be touched, are enjoyed because they are hardwired into your brain. Well, we'll visit that powerful connection in a bit. See, when you eat, you are interacting with every portion of who you are as a physical human being, as a social creature, and as an emotionally alive soul. The many trillions and trillions of cells that comprise your body are carrying out the function of being you with the fuel you gift them. It's a great community. It's a nice community of functioning little yous. And they're out there using your food choices, your social moments, your rest, your creativity, productivity, and exercise to keep you happy, healthy, and hopping. Those are a lot of words, aren't they? Just a lot of words. We don't necessarily have to listen to those words anymore because now we're going to move into your own hypnotic process, your own stream